Welcome to Gadget Hunter.
Here are a few options. Number 1. The A2000 is a compact, portable projector ideal for home movie nights and travel. Number 2. The Thundia LTD98 is a compact, portable projector offering 1080p Full HD video playback. Number 3. The Tuinger L9 projector offers a portable and powerful home theater experience with high brightness. Number 4. The Mini Smart Projector offers native 720p support and 4K decoding, perfect for home theaters. Number 5. The AUN A32 Pro projector offers an affordable portable cinema experience with impressive video quality.